6'4".
6'4". Am I? What's John?
6'7". But he's like really, really thin, isn't it? So it makes him look. Anything confidential?
Maccabee.
Do you know how much I charge?